Proud to hit another global milestone, East has successfully deployed a tailor-made UPS power supply solution for West Sumbawa City Hospital in Indonesia, bringing top-tier Chinese smart manufacturing to protect the critical power lifeline of local healthcare services. Our tailor-made E89500 kV high power-ups, industrial-grade anti-corrosion and salt spray protection for long-term stable operation in harsh coastal environments. Double conversion online technology enables millisecond seamless switching during grid anomalies. Zero interruption, ultra pure, and highly stable power for all core medical equipment solves the pain points of voltage instability and frequent fluctuations once and for all. Moving forward, we will keep innovating core tech and crafting custom power solutions for global healthcare, computing centers, and new energy sectors, powering a more stable future for communities worldwide.